In this video, we are going to see the Mega Recruitment 2021 and a huge number of assistant professor, associate as well as the professor vacancies, guys, from the 7 different colleges. And here with only post graduation, you can apply for these posts, guys. Okay, and a few colleges are offering the UGC pay scales and whatever the opportunities I am going to show you right now in all these 7 colleges, you need not to pay the single rupee as a application fee. Okay, guys. So don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for faculty job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end carefully, okay, to go through the 7 different colleges recruitment notifications.
Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video.
Coming to the present content of the video, so here the first one is Tala Padmavati College of Engineering from Warangal, Kazipet. So the contact number is also given here. If you are having any queries regarding this notification, then you may contact this number. So wanted professor associate and assistant professor in civil ECE, CSC, CSC, artificial intelligence and machine learning, humanities and sciences, maths, physics, chemistry and English, and MBA, and for MTech CSC, MTech VLSA and embedded systems. And applications are to be sent to hr.tpce@gmail.com. Qualifications and the salary, everything as per the ACT or the JN2H norms, guys. So if you are having only post graduation in these departments, whatever, okay, they are visible on the screen, then send your resume to the provided mail ID. Okay, hr.tpce@gmail.com. Okay, and next, while coming to the second college, Madhira Institute of Technology and Sciences, MITS, Kodat. So Suryapet. From this one, here the contact numbers are also given. So if you are having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, then you may contact these numbers, guys. And they are requesting for the faculty. So applications are invited from eligible candidates and experienced candidates for the post of principal, professor, associate, and the assistant professor in the departments of EEE Civil, ECE, CSC, Mechanical, MBA, English, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, and Pharmacy. And the qualifications and the pay scales, everything as per the ACT or the PCI or the JN2H norms. And whoever the interested and the eligible candidates are there, then you may attend the interview on 28th June 2021, morning 10 o'clock to afternoon 1 o'clock at the college campus itself. So if you are attending for the walk-in interview, then you have to bring the original PAN card, Aadhaar card, passport size photograph and certificates of the qualification. Okay, so regarding this one, if you are having any queries, then the contact numbers are also provided here. Fine. And while coming to the next one is, so it is the college, guys. Valluripalli Nageshwar Rao Vignana Jyoti Institute of Engineering and Technology from Hyderabad. So here also the walk-in interview is there. Walk-in interviews will be conducted on 1st July 2021 from morning 9 o'clock to afternoon 3:30. So assistant professor vacancies are there in the departments civil, ECE, electronics, computers, IT and English, and the non-teaching staff are also required. Network administrator, purchase officer, training and placement officer, soft skill trainer, startup manager, and innovation cell manager. So qualifications and experience, everything as per the ACT or the UGC norms, and persons with PhD are the preferable in the case of teaching staff. They are asking the preferable, guys. If you are having only post graduation, then no problem. Okay, you may attend the interview on the July 1st 2021 morning 9 to afternoon 3:30. So carry your resume and just go to the interview, guys. Interested candidates shall attend the interview at the VNR VJIET campus with prescribed format along with the original certificates. So for more details, you may visit the official website of this college. Once visit the official website of this college, guys, and check down this recruitment notification, or else here the contact number is also there. Fine, the contact number is also there. Just call them and ask regarding the details about this walk-in interview. Okay, and while coming to the second college, next college is Shah and Anchor Kuchi Engineering College. Okay, from Chembur, guys, from Mumbai. So applications are invited for the following posts: Professor Associate and Assistant Professor Lab Assistants in the departments of Computer Engineering, Information Technology, Electronics and Telecommunication, Electronics and Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Cyber Security and General Science and Humanities. Coming to the humanities, Maths, Mechanics or Drawing, Applied Chemistry, Applied Physics and Communication Skills. So eligible candidates and the interested one, as per the DTEMS, University of Mumbai and ACT norms, okay, they have to send their applications to the email, that is recruitment@sakec.ac.in only within 7 working days from the date of publication of this advertisement. And at the time of sending the mail, you have to mention for which post and which department you are applying. Okay, so it is a way of applying, guys. And coming to the next one is Sana Engineering College. So here the urgent recruitment is there for the principal, professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies in the branches EEE, ECE, CSC, Civil, Mechanical and Humanities and Sciences. So qualifications and remuneration, everything as per the ACT or the JNTUH norms. And the date of interview is 1st and 2nd July 2021 and within the campus itself. Okay, so here, just carry your resume along with some Xerox copies of the certificates. And in the 1st and 2nd July, attend to the interview. And you may check down Sana Engineering College, Kodat. Okay, address is also mentioned. If you're having any queries regarding this one, here the contact numbers are also mentioned. You may contact this one, and the email ID is also there. Fine. So it is the next Sai Spruti Institute of Technology from Khammam district. So here also the wanted faculty and the mobile number as well as normal landline number is also given. Applications are invited from the dynamic and the committed candidates for the following posts: assistant professor in the CSC and assistant professor in the MBA. And the wardens are also required. Salary is not constrained to the deserving candidates. And candidates having 2 years of experience BCom with the MBA are preferable for the MBA department. Interested candidates may send your resume and biodata to the triplsit.principal@gmail.com on or before 30th June 2021. Okay. And while coming to the next one, it is Kristu Jyoti Institute of Technology and Science, Yeshwantapuram, Jangaon. Faculty requirement for the post of assistant, associate and the professor vacancies in the department CSC, ECE, EEE, Mechanical, Civil and H&S, that is Chemistry, English, Mathematics, Physics and MEFA, and the departments of BTech and Diploma, that is Polytechnic courses also. Interested candidates may send your resume to the principal@cjits.org on or before 30th June 2021, and the shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview. If you are having any queries regarding this one, here the contact number is also provided. You may contact this number. Okay, guys. Total, these are the 7 different colleges. So I think all the 7 colleges are the engineering colleges. So mostly there are vacancies for the engineering departments as well as the chemistry, English, mathematics and physics and MBA departments. The vacancies are there. So total 7 colleges are there, guys. So there is no application fee and you can directly attend for the interview. Okay, so all the best to all of you who are applying or else attending the interview for this one. Okay, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys.
Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, Psychology, Public Administration, Electronic Science, Environmental Science, Home Science, and Philosophy, Tourism Admin and Management, Mass Communication and Journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and Anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.